See the next topic, pressure. So based on pressure, here I want to explain change in effect of force with area of contact. So here we have to take a pen or pencil. Here I am taking pen. Now push rounded end of the pen on your palm. What we will observe here? Now take the sharp end of the pen and push it on your palm gently. Yes. Now in both cases, what we will observe? See here, we know that porters place turbans on their head when they have to carry heavy loads. And we know school bags, shopping bags have a broad straps as handles. So in all these examples, we can say that the force, yes, here the effect of force depends on the area of the contact on which the force is acting. Yes, it is depends upon the area of the contact on which the force is acting. So we can say that when there is a decrease on the area of the contact of the force, then the effect of force will be increases. Right? Okay, here I want to write. When there is a decrease, yes, when there is a decrease in area of contact of the force, then here what will happen? When there is a decrease in the area of the contact of the force, then the effect of force increases. And here I want to write vice versa. Yes, vice versa is nothing but here. When there is an increase in area of contact of the force, then the effect of force decreases. So here in this example of pen, when you are taken this broad end of the pen, here the area of the contact is more. Yes, and the effect of the force is less. Yes, and here when you are taken sharp end, here the area of the contact is less and the effect of the force will be more here. So that is all I am saying here, when there is a decrease in area of contact. Yes, this is a decrease in area of contact, and here then the effect of the force will be more here, means increases. Yes, so from this we can say that the force on perpendicular to the unit area of the surface, right? Here I want to write the force is perpendicular to the unit area of surface is called pressure. Okay, so also we can write, so there is no space, pressure equals to what we can write here, force per area. And for this pressure the SI units are Newton per meter square, or we can also write like this, Newton per meter square. Okay. See the next one, identifying the effects of force. So for these we need to take two trays. Okay, in both the trays we have to take fine sand Okay. Now assume this is a tray A and this is the B. Now we have to take two bricks which are having equal mass and similar shape. Now here we are taking rectangular shape of two bricks which are having equal mass and a similar shape, but we are keeping one brick in vertical direction and another brick in horizontal direction, right? In tray A we are keeping in vertical direction, in tray B we are keeping in horizontal direction. Okay. Now here what do you notice here? Do the both bricks sink into the same depth into the sand here? We may notice that the brick which is in vertical direction, that is sinks deeper in sand than the horizontal one. Yes, this is the sinks deeper here than this horizontal one. Since here we are taken two bricks are with equal mass and similar shape, right? But they are in vertical direction and one is in horizontal direction, right? We are keeping one is a vertical direction in sand and one is a horizontal direction in sand, right? Both are keeping in sand only, but there is a difference in the surface of the contact, right? So here surface area of the contact is different and here the surface area of the contact is different, right? So here we can say that the vertical direction of brick is sinks deeper than the horizontal direction of the another brick, right? So here we concluded that the surface area of the contact is depends upon the pressure applying on the brick. The which one is having smaller contact of surface area, that is sinks deeper into the sand here, and which is having large surface area of the contact and that is do not sinks deeper into the sand when compared to vertical direction of the brick. So this is also one of the pressure only here. How the pressure is applying depends upon the direction of the contact between the surface area here. Here the surface area is smaller and the here pressure exerted on the brick is more. Here surface area is larger. Here pressure exerted on brick is small here, right? This is the effects of force.